Hello everyone. In this video, AP Board Self-Assessment Term 3 2025-26 Class 10th Subject Maths Question Paper with the answer discussed. This question paper download to the Telegram group, link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and comment on the video. Let's start the paper. Answer the following question. Question number first. Consider the following statement. Statement A. There is no tangent to a circle passing through a point lying inside the circle. What is the statement B? There is one and only one tangent to a circle passing through a point lying on the circle. What is the correct answer? Both A and B are true. A is true, B is false. A is false, B is true. Both A and B are false. What is our answer? Option A is the correct answer. A point inside a circle cannot touch the boundary without crossing it. Zero tangent, a point on the boundary allow only one unique line perpendicular to the radius. This means one tangent is the first answer of the option A is the right answer. Match the following. How many tangent can be drawn to a circle from a point on the circle, from outside the circle, from a point inside the circle? What is the correct matchup pair? Total tangent to a circle infinite, point on a circle 1, point outside 2, point inside 0. What is the correct answer? Option C is the right answer of the question number 2. Now the next question, draw a rough sketch of a tangent to a circle passing through the end point of its radius. Now the fourth question, match the following volumes: volume of sphere, volume of cone, volume of cylinder. What is the formula? Sphere, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, cylinder pi r square h. What is the correct option? Correct option, option C is the right answer of the fourth question. Next question, question number 5, a surgeon. The maximum possible volume of a cone cut from a cylinder of volume 120 centimeter cube is 40 centimeter cube. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 the volume of the cylinder. What is the answer? What is the correct choice of the option? Option A. Both A and R true. R is the correct explanation for A. Explanation है आपका, the volume of a cone exactly 1 by 3 of a cylinder with the same dimensional. 1 by 3 multiply 120 there means 40 centimeter cube. Has the reason explain the assertion. Question number 6. What will be the volume of cylinder if the radius is doubled? What is the answer? Answer is it becomes 4 times. It becomes the 4 times. Next question. Find the total surface area of cube having the side 4 centimeter. What is the formula? Total surface area of cube 6 times of a square, 6 into 4 whole square, 6 multiply 16, 16 6 are 96 is the right answer of the 7th question. Take a screenshot and thus for 2 marks of the question, calculate the length of the tangent from a point 15 centimeter away from the center of the circle of radius 9 centimeter. And 9th question, and complete solution. Comment on the video, like and share. 9th question, in the given figure TP and TQ are two tangent to a circle with the center O, so that angle POQ equal to 110 degree, and then find the PTQ. Question number 10. Consider the following situation. In each, find out whether you need volume or area and why. Quantity of water inside the bottle. Quantity of water inside the bottle. What is the answer? Answer is the volume. First answer is the volume. Canvas needed for making tent. Area. Number of bags inside the lorry. Answer is the volume. Number of matchstick that can be put in a matchbox. What is the correct answer? Volume. Volume is the answer. Now the next section. 11th question. Draw the diagram. Write circular cylinder, cone, cuboid and hemisphere. 4 marks of the question. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Next question. Question number 13. Two cubes, each of the volume 64 centimeter की power of 3 are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Next question number 14. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and its base is of the radius 3.5 cm, find the total surface area of the article. This PDF download to the Telegram group. Telegram group link on the description. Link available on the description. Join the Telegram group. Tap of the link and join the group. Answer the following question. Fourth section. 8 marks of the question. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field offside 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. Find the two conditions of the question. The area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Second one, the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. And the internal of the question, a chord of a circle 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding first minor segment, second major sector. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 or 3.14. This is a complete paper of the self-assessment model paper 3 or FA3 examination. This is a very important pakka of the questions. Thank you so much watching the video. Like and share and comment on the video. Thank you so much.